Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. I'm the owner of Woven Flora, and this is the first video in the series of videos that I will be teaching you how to crochet in. This series is specifically designed for anyone who has never picked up a crochet hook before, or anyone who just needs to learn like one individual stitch. That's why these videos are short and sweet and to the point. So if you're here, welcome, and I'm really excited that you clicked on this video and you want to learn to crochet because I think crochet is awesome. All chatting aside, let's jump right into it. For the purpose of this entire series, we'll be using a medium 4-weight yarn, and I will be using a 5mm crochet hook. I'm not sure if it's flipped around or not, but you should be able to see 5mm right there. Although a 4mm would also work. Feel free to jump around and rewatch sections of this video as many times as you need to get these skills down packed before moving on to the next video, because I want this to be as positive of an experience as possible for you guys, because like I said, I love crochet so much and it can be a little tedious to learn at first, but once it clicks, holy moly, it's a hell of a time. So we will get right into it right now. Okay, jumping right in, before we can even begin to crochet, we need to know how to do a slip knot. So that is what I'll be showing you today. There's two ways to do a slip knot. The first is easier and the second is faster for those intermediate to advanced crocheters, and I'll show you both. So the first one, you're going to take the end of your yarn and make a loop, just like so. And now with that end on top, you're going to pick that up and take that, pull through from the bottom like so, and pull snug. And there you've made a little loop with your two strands hanging off just like that. In order to test that you've actually made a slip knot and just a regular knot, what you'll want to do is basically pull it out. So I'll show you right here. If I just pull, the loop gets smaller until it disappears altogether. So one more time, you want to make a loop with your end strand on top, and then take that end and loop it through there and pull snug. Feel free to repeat that as many times as it takes for you to be confident and comfortable. And once you are comfortable, you can take your crochet hook, insert it into that loop, and tighten your slip knot snug around your hook. You want this to be able to move freely without having too much extra slack in the loop. For the second way to do a slip knot, you will pick up your hook and pick up your yarn. I like to hold my yarn kind of like this, and then I'm going to place my hook kind of crossing the yarn, dip that down and around like so to make a loop around the hook just like that, and then I'm going to rotate my hook this way once, and then I'm going to basically do a single chain through that little loop I've just made just like so. And it's the same thing. I can make it bigger or smaller and make it disappear just like the other method of making a slip knot. Real quickly, I'll show you the speed at which I normally do it, just to show that it is faster and it is worthwhile if you should choose to learn. So normally what it looks like from start to finish, I'll pick up my yarn, pick up my hook, boopity boop, and just like that, I'm ready to start crocheting. Ta-da! And once you get this down to a comfortable level, you can move on to the next video where we will learn how to do a chain. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.